Welcome. In front of me is a DJI Neo 2 and I'll be going over unboxing along with just a quick look at the drone itself. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. I do appreciate a pull tab that they have right here, so it just makes unboxing a bit easier. And it holds in one piece. Congratulations. You actually surpassed, in terms of engineering of a pull tab, Samsung, which apparently can't figure this shit out. Anyway, let's pop it open. Come on. Come on. There we go. So in here we have something. Set it to the side. So I'm gonna grab this. Plop that here, and we just have a little anti-moisture package, and that's about it. Here we have the drone. So you can see, small one, super small one. And do have some antennas right here, couple cameras. So we have one right here for, I presume, just tracking, as well as this one, unless this is a full 360, but I have no clue. And then at the bottom, oh, there we go, you have to squeeze it. We have the actual gimballed one. So there we go. You can see full rotation gimbal. Come on. Trying to figure out how to put that back on here. And failing. Oh, nope, never. Of course, I have to fall back, fall down. There we go, got it. I don't know why, but putting these on always gives me absolute cancer. I can never like get it on there correctly. No, there we go, got it. Now, the design right here, pretty minimal. We have a couple buttons right here. So I presume this is the on button, or whatever it's supposed to be. I have actually no clue. There's a bit more than I would expect. We also have a detachable battery, some venting ports, and come on, can you detach? Damn, that is like really in there. Come on, you're almost out. There we go. So the drone itself is stupidly light. The battery itself looks to be, if I can find the freaking number, 11.5 watt-hour battery, though it doesn't really say how many milliamps. At least not that I can find it quickly. So 11.5 watt-hour. Let's plop that back in. There we go. Now let's take a look at the controller for it, and also what else is in here. Okay, so that's everything. So here we have the controller, detachable or unscrewable joysticks, typical drone ones. So the joystick doesn't seem like it has changed between all the other DJI drones that come without the display joystick. So again, at the top you have the phone mount. There we go. Also have the cable right here. Now there's additional ones, as you can see. So this one is a Type-C to Lightning, so iPhone ones. Though probably nowadays everyone will be using the one that is already here, which is Type-C to Type-C. If I can actually get it out of here. Oh, there we go. So Type-C to Type-C, you can see. And grabbing a phone, I have one laying right here. We can just kind of get a quick look at how that will actually work. So there we go. And boop, you plug it in. Obviously I don't have an application installed on here, so this won't really work at all, because you do need an app. Of course you need an app. Oh, and by the way, I want to point out that this is DJI, so I'm pretty sure, actually, yeah, you do need an app. So I was about to say something else, but this works a little bit different than what I was about to mention. So yeah, you do need an app to use this, which is absolute cancer, and obviously the application will want all the useless information that it should never have or never require to work. I mean, for fuck's sakes, the drone itself has a connection to the controller. The phone itself should be only for image, but yet the bullshit application will require things that it doesn't really need. Because all it needs is access to Type-C port, so it can move over the information of what the drone sees, and that's it. But you can be sure as shit it's going to be doing much more than that. Anyway, so that's the controller. Just put it back in here, and you can kind of see how quick this goes. So I'm putting it together. Now in here also we get additional batteries. So in total we have 3 batteries, one already here, all of them charged halfway, and a sticker that you need to remove, which I'm curious, is it here as well? Nope. So only this one has a sticker for some reason. There we go. Got some paperwork with screwdriver for repairing it, and stickers. Oops. Additional propellers, though we only have 2. Now, as far as I can count, there's 4 of them in total here. Hopefully when you break them, they won't all break at the same time. And as you can see, they do have a little bit of a cage going on around here to basically protect this from damage, and it looks like you can take this off. So it just kind of clips on here. I'm not gonna really attempt to take it off, to be honest. So you can take this off, but I want to point out there is no way for you to kind of, I don't know, fold this or anything like that. The reason I'm pointing that out is because I don't remember which company, I think it might have been also DJI, has these small drones about the same size as this one, maybe even a little bit smaller, which the wings just kind of fold like so. So they're a bit more protected, easier to transport, and take less space than what we have right here. So it's a bit of a shame that you don't have such a thing. And these antennas also aren't foldable, so they are like bug antennas right here that just need to stand out. You can't really do much with them. This is not what I wanted to detach, or rip off more like. I was trying to see if you can detach this. God, this is such a garbage design. There we go. Okay, I was trying to see if you can detach this because it kind of almost looks like it's attached right here with something, but nope, this isn't detachable, unfortunately. And it's a shame, considering it makes it a bit more fragile in transport. Like, you have 2 little prongs sticking out that you can't really move out of the way. So that's a bit of an odd design right here. But anyway, that's about it. Not really going to be using this here in this confined space, so this sums up the look at the drone. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.